There's nothing like the sound of water on your patio or deck. I'm with Justin from Terra Casa in Damascus. And Justin, you guys have a huge selection of bubblers and fountains, don't you?
Yes, we do. We got all kinds of bubblers here. We got self-contained bubblers over here. They range from all shapes and sizes, and you can pretty much pick any one that you want out here, and we get you all taken care of.
Oh, so any pot can become a bubbler.
Exactly.
That is cool. And really, for a small space, these are great because they're self-contained, but then for maybe a larger one, you have the ones that go in ground.
Exactly. We have ones that go on reservoirs that you can put in your backyard, your front yard, in your flower bed, do some plantings around it, stuff like that. So it makes it real cool.
Yeah. And not only do you have bubblers, but you have a new selection of larger fountains that are all shapes and sizes.
Yes, we do. Some of these are, small, some of them are medium, some of them are large. You can put them again in your front yard, in your backyard, and they're self-contained, so they're very cool, make a lot of noise, and they're very awesome.
Now, Justin, what about the care? Do you help with that?
Yeah, we can come on by, we can get it all winterized for you, take it down, drain it, get your pump out of there for the winter if you want, or we can show you how to do that yourself.
And what about weekly care? Is that really difficult?
Not too difficult. You'll need to fill your fountain a little bit if you don't have it on an autofill system, but other than that, not too much care at all.
Anything that we should add to keep that water nice and clear?
Yeah, we have a product called BioSledge. It helps fight the algae, keep the water as clear as possible, so treat that a couple times a year and you're good to go.
Yeah, it doesn't sound too difficult. It really isn't.
No, not too much at all.
And I know that you're a full-service company here at Terra Casa, so you'll send out a crew, you'll deliver the fountains and set them up.
Yes, we will. We can get that all done for you too, so come on by and check us out.
So you need to come out to see Terra Casa in Damascus, talk to Justin and his crew, and pick out a water feature for your garden. Thanks so much.
You're welcome.